Hello you guys and welcome to Designer How, back with another tutorial for you today. Let's go! I've got a little zoom-in texture running in the back for some contrast, but this is not really important for what we're going to do. Press T on your keyboard or select the Type tool. Click on the screen and type your text. In the Essential Graphics panel, center the text window vertically and horizontally. Make sure the text itself is centered as well. In this panel, you can change the font and font options as well if needed. Stretch out the text layer to match with your background footage, or for however long you need the text to last. Now go to Effect, type in Turbulent, and drag the Turbulent Displace effect onto your text layer. You'll see the text deform immediately. Head to Effect Controls and under Turbulent Displace, set amount to about 56. Put size at about 9. Play around with both parameters for offset until you get the desired effect on your text. Or you can just copy the ones in this video. Create a keyframe for evolution on the first frame of the text layer. Then bring the timeline over to the last frame. Then bring the value for evolution up about 3 rotations, and a second keyframe will be created automatically. When played, the text now wiggles in real time. I'll create some scale keyframes for the text to follow the zoom effect of the background. Watch our other tutorial for an in-depth guide on the zoom effect if you want. Great. Lastly though, I think it could do with a vignette to make our subject stand out more. Go to Project, click on the new item icon, and hit Adjustment Layer. Drag the layer onto the timeline above your footage. Now go to Effect, type Circle, and drag the circle effect onto the new layer. Now, in Effects Control, scroll down to Blending Mode under Circle, and select Stencil Alpha. Set radius to between 4 and 600 and drive up the feather outer edge to about 300, and we have our nice little vignette. So I've switched out the background and modified the text somewhat, and this is the result. Quick and easy. Hope this tutorial was not too spooky for you guys. Please like and subscribe, and as always, catch you all on the next one.